Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Jeep Gladiator seats. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged. For safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting any electrical work. Next, you'll need to remove any plastic trim pieces that might be covering the seat base bolts. Use an E12 or T50 Torx socket to loosen, and remove the 4 bolts securing the front seat to the floor. Finally, gently lift the seat to access and disconnect any electrical wiring harnesses underneath. Moving to the rear seats, begin by folding both seat bottoms upward to create working space. You'll find two 10mm bolts that connect the 2 rear seat sections. Remove these. Next, locate and remove the 2 T20 Torx screws holding the plastic seat base shroud in place. The most challenging part is often loosening the 8E14 Torx nuts, 4 per seat, that secure the seat bases to the floor. A breaker bar can be very helpful here, as these bolts are often quite tight from the factory. Once the seat base nuts are loose, you can proceed to release the seat backs. Look for the strap-style seat back releases and pull them to unlatch the seats from the rear wall. With all bolts and latches disengaged, carefully lift the entire rear seat assembly out of the vehicle. It's a good practice to immediately store all removed bolts and hardware in a labeled container to prevent loss. Before moving on, always double-check the floor for any forgotten wires or small obstructions. When reinstalling your seats, reverse the removal process. Carefully align the seats and start all bolts by hand to prevent cross-threading before tightening them. Reconnect all electrical wiring harnesses, ensuring they click securely into place. Torque the seat bolts to factory specifications, typically around 35 foot-pounds for M10 bolts. Always test seat functionality and ensure no warning lights appear after reinstallation. For more helpful tips and tools, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.